guys, welcome to my blog. I just want to share this video that we have last year, and please enjoy the video. And every journey tells a story, and this blog is a collection of mine, from places that take my breath away to moments that shape who I am. I'm here to share experiences that go beyond just travel, stories filled with meaning, memories, and a little bit of adventure. Please enjoy, and uh, thank you for watching. I just want to share some facts of Kawasan Falls. It is located in the municipality of Badchan on southern side of Cebu Island, 130 to 140 kilometers from Cebu City. It is roughly 3 to 4 hours drive. Nestled at the foot of Mantalongon mountain range, surrounded by lush tropical forest. It is known for its multi-layered waterfalls. Its signature turquoise blue water, which comes from natural spring water flowing from the mountains. The Kawasan is believed to have come from a local term meaning a place of waterfalls or spring. Becoming a popular tourist destination, it was a quiet, hidden natural spot known mostly to locals. Over time, a word spread about its beauty, and it became one of Cebu's most famous attractions. Travelers started visiting not only for sightseeing, but also swimming, relaxing, adventure activities like canyoneering. What makes it special? Crystal clear turquoise water, then three main waterfalls levels, and relaxation and adventure. Experience and significance of Kawasan: more than just a tourist spot, it's a place where people reconnect with nature, find peace away from busy city life, create unforgettable memories with loved ones. Thank you so much.
Pagod ka na? Hindi ka mapunta dun? Hello.
Hindi ko mag-vlog to.
Ha?
Jacket.
Aw.
Wala ko ilang jacket.
Hindi ka makatapak sa lupa?
Ulo lang.
Ulo? Yung shampoo lang. Physics yan, no? Force pati yan, no? Kaya lang. Ayoko na lang. Ano daw? Sabi mo daw.
to go home. We have to walk 15 to 20 minutes. Yun siya. Hindi naman siya malayo, pero you have to walk kasi hindi pwede pasok yung motor or yung sasakyan. And we rented a motorcycle for us to go around sa Cebu. Not only sa city but to the southern and northern part. And it is very tiring pero enjoyable siya. And great experience. And it is my ano to, yung my husband's first time na pumunta ng city. Nakapunta na siya ng Simala, but in the city, hindi pa siya nakapunta. And that was his first time to go in Kawasan Falls. And me, it's my second time because during college days, I went there with college friends, and we rode a bus from the city. And that's it. Malayo-layo pa yung lalakarin namin yan. Pero 10 to 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes lang naman. And enjoy naman yung walking kasi marami kang nakikita na puno, mga yung sa nature, ganyan. Kung kung gusto mo ng relaxation, yan ang isa sa mga the best na marirecommend ko, yung Kawasan Falls. Pero yun nga lang, 3 to 4 hours ang drive galing sa Cebu City. Pero worth it naman kapag dumating ka na. And pero mind you na mahal ang ano nila, ang sinisingil nila yung sa ticket. Parang environmental pag hindi ka na, para kung hindi ka local doon sa Badjan. Kaya yun, dapat meron talagang cash. Yun lang yung ano ko, yung mapapayo ko sa inyo. And kahit ganun pa man, pero it's worth it talaga. Yung life best na nakita nyo sa video, ano yun siya, it's free na yun siya kapag yung pumunta kayo doon sa Kawasan Falls. Siguro na rin siya yung kasali na rin siya doon sa binayaran mo na. I think it's 200 ata yung nabayaran namin doon sa may cashier. Bago ka maka-reach doon sa falls mismo, meron ka madadaanan na para yung cashier nila doon, something like that, and doon ka magbabayad. Then pagdating mo doon sa mismong falls, bibigyan ka nila ng life vest. Yun siya. Siguro yung yun rin yung bayad, yun rin yung dahilan kung bakit malaki-laki siguro ang nila, ang yung payment. Pero worth it naman yung Kawasan Falls. Kahit second time ko na, parang pa rin, excited pa rin akong pumunta doon. Try nyo na. Thank you.
Kanina pa ako gapasan yan.
Mo kay nakasakay ka man daw, kung bakas na to. Bukas pa rin lalabas ng kanina.
Ha?
Wala na sila may bayad doon.
Baka taga dito yan.
Dagat no. Fresh water na. Ay, sea water. na yung paano kung number 3 na.
Saan?
Ah,
Yung?
ang kataas sa tubig ba?
Ah.
Ulan-ulan. Excited. Mga mo apaw dyan.
Baka nakaranas na sila ng umapaw dito.
Oo eh. Okay, butang ang dike mo. Ang kabukas na may dagal pa na mo, i-jogging pa na mo ni mo.
Ano? Sin?
Pero kayo fit kayo to.
Ha?
Fit kayo.
Yung fit?
Dili ko mambak-ambak, masama na yung dire.
Hala ka.
Sama dyan akong dire sa una.
Sin?
Ilang mga pigsa, wag isaw na. May mong
Ah,
pigsa.
yung ano kasi yung mag-friction.
Oh. Nauban, ako lang masama gamay ra. Ilang mga pig, may mo pang pigsa. Sa ugaw man tiya pun to, dala sa
Oo.
ugaw.
Di ba kinapa-deep rin kayo sa ano?
Nagkila kong kaubat din.
Iyo. Di ba ginapa-deep rin kayo sa may, sa ano?
Lublog eh, lublog, kanal.
Sa mud?
Tusok pulo lang, kanal, pagit.
Sa putik?
Hmm.
Kahit may sugat?
Hmm.
Grabe.
Lagnat yun, wala lagnat dito. Ah, lagnat na ka, loblob.
Buang.
Wala lagnat na, ano mo? Wala training pa ka.
Ah. Ay, hindi ko siya.
Di mo ka mamatay.
Ha?
Isip nila, di ka mamatay.
O kung may infection kayo,
Buong kila tao ba?
hanggang sa mag ano siya. Hindi. Dito tayo daan, di ba? Dito na daan? Uy. Dito tayo nagdaan, di ba kanina? Day. Ito. Yes! Finish line.